Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on a 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic. This works for any kind of Civic you have, but I'm just showing you guys on this model specifically, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come on your passenger side, open the door, and then the air filter is behind the glove box. So what you want to do is you have to open your glove box. I have the air filter right here. This is the part number for the Fram air filters. The part number for other manufacturers might be different, so you have to check for that. So go ahead and open your glove box. I've already opened it. So there's a little latch here. You pull that and it comes back down like that. Let me set up my light here so you guys can see better. So what you want to do, once you pull the latch down, the glove box is going to only want to come down this much. So there are two latches on either side of the glove box that holds it in place. So like I said, you want to push on both sides, and then it will see less like that, it will drop down, and then once you have this down, so I'm gonna bring you guys here. So right there, you see it says airflow, so that's where your air filter is. So if I can point right here, so you have to take that cover off. This is a cover, so there are two latches that you need to remove. There's one right there, and then there's one right there. So what you want to do is, so you basically have to push that latch right there, and then same thing on the other side. You push this like that, and then you push this side, same, and then see, now that cover is completely off. So now you take that out. There is your air filter. Now you can pull it out. Just like that. And as you can see, mine is dirty. So as you can see there, this has been there for a while, and there's dust, debris, leaves, and all kinds of stuff accumulated. So for reference, that is the new one and that is the old one. You see how dirty that is? Now the important thing here is that you have to install this with that pointing down. As you can see right there, it says airflow. So these filters are directional. You have to install them properly. So with our old filter out, now we're gonna go ahead and install our new filter. So you're gonna go, there's a little slot, if you can see right there. You're gonna have to align this filter to go between those slots. So again, the airflow is going down, and we are going to install it just like that. And there you go. Our new filter is installed. Super simple. Now you're gonna put this cover back on there. So once you have the cover installed, all you're gonna have to do is push this glove box back up
and then I will just go back past the tab, and then now your glove box is functioning the way it should. Lock it, unlock it, and that's all.